Greetings and welcome to another part of the Project Replicator. This time regarding dorsal wings, primary and secondary wings. So without further ado, let's go straight into it.
So we are back in Creo once again, and now we will take a look at those wing assemblies. So I will put the sides back, and here we can see uh, those primary wings and those secondary wings. So we need to actually print this joint twice, left and right, and here we have one primary wing, and the second is obviously mirror copy. And then we have the secondary wings. The assembly for the secondary wings is actually a little bit more difficult, consisting of more parts. So we have first part of the wing and second part of the wing. Those two will be attached together, and then we have this third part, and two supporting blocks that should help hold everything together. Now, as you can see, it will actually have to be glued together. Um, so that's it. The second part is basically the same. So this is what we will print now. So let's get straight to it.
And here we are back in Creo because once again there was a problem. This time the problem was not caused by me, but the problem is that I kinda ran out of the material. So I have a little problem regarding the secondary wings. Now, if I take a look at the secondary wing assembly B, this is how it is supposed to look. As you can see, it is made of two separate wing pieces, one and two. Now, this second piece I have already printed out for both wings. But the problem is with the first part. That's a 4 hour long print, and I kinda ran out of the material as I already said. So uh, there are a few types of solutions. Obviously, the best one would be to actually buy a new material of the same color and print them uh, after that. But this is something I am not really willing to do because that's very specific material, this metallic violet, and I don't intend to use it anymore. So I really don't want to buy an entire material for just two prints. The other obvious solution would be to actually print it from a different material that I have and then paint it. With it, I see a problem to match the color because this metallic purple or violet is very specific and has very specific properties, light properties, and I'm not sure I would be able to match those properties. So uh, whether I color it or paint it or not, I believe that that segment of the wing will always stick out. So I've been thinking how to solve this issue, and I think I have the solution, and it's to simply skip this part and only use this part but in the slightly different configuration. So this is what I came up with. I basically attached it like that. So I will go to the wing A and do the same thing. Hide, hide, open. So as you can see, the same thing here, and it would then look like this. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I think this even look better. So I suppose this is the way I will go with, and make this, well, unexpected but necessary change. So this is just the FYI. So here we are, and here we have all the pieces for the wings printed out. So I will now glue them together, and once that is complete, we will assemble them together. And here we are, and here is the replicator so far. As you can see, I already attached the primary wings. The reason was that they had to be glued, so I didn't want to bother you with the gluing process. But it is glued now. It's on the joint, so it could be moved up and down, both of them actually. And now we will attach those secondary wings. It should be a simple process of clicking it together. So hopefully everything is okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, he has both his primary and secondary wings installed. Okay. So that's it for the wing assembly, and that would in a way conclude today's video. So the only thing that is actually remaining are those side panels. So that will be the topic of the next video and also the last video. Anyway, that will be all for now, and bye bye.